Training at home. Accessories that can help you. Discover the freedom of training with TRX. Basic kit with door anchor, ideal for exercising at home or on the go. Includes everything you need for a complete training: suspension strap, door anchor, color training guide, and 2 bonuses. Build muscle, burn fat, improve durability and flexibility anywhere, anytime. Quick setup in 60 seconds on doors, branches, beams. TRX, your travel companion to achieve your best. Discover the revolution of functional training with TRX. Thanks for subscribing.